student. We complete our fourth chapter more on Microsoft Word 2007. I hope you write all the question answers in your textbook and notebook. Today, so I will start our next practical session that is based on this chapter on page number 47. On page number 47, you have a practical to complete with the help of all the topics covered in chapter 4. So first point in this practical session is you have to set page margin as per your requirement with the help of ruler. Second, apply page header as ABC. This is the page header. Then divide the page in two columns. This is you are dividing the page in two columns. After that, you have to set the line spacing property as a double, means distance between two lines it should be double. Then you have to give the heading as a data sheet, then make it bold and underline. After that, font size is 18 and press enter key. When you press enter key, the data will be shifted to the next line and write the below data. After that, you have to set the superscript subscript function with the help of this. In the home tab, there is a font group, the superscript and subscript function is there. Then after that, you have to insert a column break with the help of page layout. After that, page setup, and there is a break option. Next thing is, in the second column you have to enter the heading as general instructions. After that, use the format painter. In the home tab there is option format painter. Okay, with the help of you can copy paste the font style type of the data sheet. Okay, these type of changes you have to do in this practical. So I am showing you how to change step by step. Okay, for that, first you have to take a Microsoft Word page. Open Microsoft Word, take one blank document, click on create. When you click on create, first what you have to do, apply page header as per the ABC Public School Dehradun. So for the page header, you have to go to insert tab. There is option page header. You can take any one. I am selecting this one and write ABC Public School, comma Dehradun. Okay, after that, just double click on blank area here. It will showing you the next things. Okay, after that you have to divide your page in two columns. So for the dividing the page, go to the page layout option. There is the option column in a page setup group. Click on that and you have to divide your page into two columns. So click on 2. When you click on 2, after that, next is set the line spacing property of the page to double. So for that, go to home tab. First you have to do all these things. After that, you have to start typing. Go to home tab. There is a paragraph group. In that, here is a quick launcher option. In that, line spacing is there. Here is multiple. You have to select as a double. Okay, click on OK. After that, write the heading as a data sheet. So you have to write the heading as a data sheet. Okay, make it bold. So select that heading, click on bold. Next, underline. With the help of this, you can underline and set its font size to 18. So I am setting its font size to 18, and actually here not mentioned to change the font type. I am changing the font type. You can take your own font type also. Okay, this first change is there, and you can also change the color of your heading. so I am giving here as a maroon color. After that, click enter. It will come down. After, you have to set what you have to set for the setting. First you have to change the font size. I am changing the font size as a 12. Decrease the size because it is a timetable. First we are giving the title of the your timetable, then after that the remaining data. First you have to change type 3 section, that is serial number. Okay. Okay, I am changing here it, I am giving the color and all these things I am changing. First is serial number. Okay, then you have to press a tab key, then subject, again a tab key, and then date. Okay, click on enter, press enter key, and now you have to type all the data. So first one is, press a tab key, first is English, so after that again press a tab key and you have to write date. Now here 23rd RD is a they are using a superscript, so for that RD, then write in a normal way, then select just RD, and here is the superscript option. Click. When you click on that, it will go to the upside. Okay. After that, April, press enter key. Second thing, second option should be, second subject is math. 24th, sorry, press tab key. 24th, April. Third one is science. Press tab key. Date should be 26th April. Press tab enter key. Fourth one, again a tab key, SST. Press tab key. It should be 27th April. Again press tab key. Fifth one is tab key, Hindi. Again a tab key. 26th. After that 28th April. Sixth one is IT, that is computer. Again press a tab key. 29th April. Okay, press enter key. Now after that, after you have to press insert a column break, so go to, for that page layout tab, then there is a option break. Here you have to press a column break, so click on column break. When you press select column break, it will go to the next column. In the next column you have to write a general instruction, so write general instruction. Now what you have to do, you have to use a format painter. Then how to use a format painter? For that, select this data, click on format painter, and which data you have to use same formatting, that data you have to select. First you have to select the data, which means this type of formatting you have to do on the next data. So first select that data, click on format painter, and which data you have to format it, just select that data and leave it. When you select format painter, the brush sign will be generated with the help of your mouse or I-beam, means it is selected, format painter option is selected. Okay, next thing, after that click enter. Now what you have to do, you have to write the instruction. First one is, exam timing will be in the bracket 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. So write down 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Okay, this is your first instruction. Second one is, for the instruction you have to give the numbering, bullets and numbering option. It is present in home tab, paragraph group. There are the bullets and numbering options are there. You have to select any one of this. Then you must reach the examination hall 15 minutes before the exam start. You must reach the examination hall 15 minutes before the exam start. Next thing, use fountain pen only. Next, last is, bring your ID card with you. Okay, so this much instruction you have to write. Next thing, you can format this data with the help of this home tab. Then change its you can give the color, you can change the color of your as per your choice. Then after that you can do any formatting as per your choice. Okay, then what will be the next thing? Find the word IT and replace it with drawing. Save the file before the existing. Now you have to use the find and replace function here. So you have to find which word, the IT word. So this one is your word. So control F you have to press same time. Which word you have to find? You have to find the word as a IT. Okay, and replace with what? So replace it with a drawing. So DRAWING, drawing, and find next. So here I am giving the changes. All of you understand this practical? It is so easy. If you not understand, see this practical till you understand. And if you have any query, any doubt, write in comment box. Okay, you one thing more, you can give the different type of effect here also. With the help of home tab you can change the heading, you can increase the heading, then you can change the color of your heading. Okay, this also you can do, means you can apply your own things also. Okay, do this practical. All of you know how to save a practical file, then save, and save your practical, give the suitable name. After that, saving this practical, share your photo of your output to with me with the help of WhatsApp, or you can mail me your practical also. If you don't have my mail ID, just ping on my WhatsApp number. I will give you my mail ID also, and you know my mail ID, you can directly mail me. Okay, thank you.